Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NSPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. But before we get to that question, the reason I'm kind of scrunching up the chart and moving it way over here is just to make it easier to see. You can see right there because of all that, nasty downwards movement. So that's why you have all the white space over here. It's just going to make answering this question a lot easier. And what does this question revolve around? Well, the question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was on Friday and then you look at where it closed today, any rational person can say, yeah, the bulls definitely have made a very nice move from the price action perspective. But that does also lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at 15 cents. Why is 15 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range right here that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the quote-unquote make progress forward statement as 15 cents. As far as levels of resistance, not going to even touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now is not a top priority. Top priority by far is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases as time unfolds, and the overall chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.